Today we're doing 7th grade, Chapter 1, Lesson 5. We are adding and subtracting like fractions. And they're called like fractions because we like them. Not really. They're called like fractions because they have the same denominators. Like fractions have the same denominators, which is really why we like them. Makes them a little bit easier to deal with if they have the same denominator. If the fractions have the same denominator, we just add or subtract the numerator. For example, 5/8 plus 2/8, we just add the 5 plus the 2, so 5 plus 2. And the denominator stays the same. 5 plus 2 makes 7. So 5/8 plus 2/8 is 7/8. Simplest form, when the numerator and denominator can no longer be divided evenly by the same number. Simplest form is when the numerator and denominator can no longer be divided evenly by the same number. So our example is 3/6 plus negative 2/6. So since they both have a 6 as the denominator, the 6 stays the same. So we are adding 3 plus negative 2. And remember those rules for integers. If the signs are not the same, we're subtracting. So that would make 1/6. And I cannot divide 1 and 6 by anything, so that is in simplest form. Let's try another one. 5/14 minus negative 1/14. 14 is the same, so we leave the denominator alone. And we are subtracting 5 minus negative 1. And remember, we have to change the signs. If it's subtraction, we keep that first number. Change. Or add a line, change the sign. Something like that. So this would be 5 plus 1, which is 6. But that's not in simplest form because we can divide 6 and 14 by something. They're both even, so we can divide them both by 2. 6 divided by 2 makes 3, and 14 divided by 2 makes 7. So the simplified version is 3/7. And sometimes they say reduce, and math teachers really don't like to use that word. Reduce means to simplify. We're not reducing the fraction. 3/7 is still equal to 6/14. We just made the number smaller, but it is the same fraction.